Hi everyone, Duda from HeyHelp. Three things in the agenda today. First, I want to share some learnings we got about API quotas and limits and stuff. Second is some improvements that we have made and are making based on these learnings. And third, present our new vote. So we're working on a new feature. We want to hear from you how to do this feature. So API limits and quotas. When we adopted the bring your own key model, I thought that the main challenge would be to add this extra step during the onboarding. But that's showing to be the simplest part. The challenges that we've been hearing a lot from users is two different scenarios, right? So we have the users that chose the free Gemini tier and the users who went down the paid OpenAI or Anthropic. So for the people using the free Gemini tier, the main problem is that they reach their quota very often. Naturally, the free tier has a lot more limitations. So initially, HeyHelp would just stop working and people wouldn't know why. To get that a bit clearer to users, we started sending these email notifications, which is the one you see in my screen. But the problem is that this is happening too often for users, and it's not nice to have the downtime very often, right? And for the paid providers, aka OpenAI or Anthropic, we found that the main challenge is not even the cost, but it's the lack of visibility on the cost. We got lots of anxious users coming to us like, oh, I need to have an estimate. How much am I going to spend? They don't want any surprising bills in the end of the month. And I totally get it. Which leads me to the second point of the agenda. So we truly believe on the power of the bring your own key model. We will keep this option available, but we are not making it default anymore. If you want to bring your own API key, it's totally fine as it's still available, but when someone new comes to join HeyHelp, we will by default just assign them to our own API key. We are literally just creating our own API keys and making all the connections right now. We're looking to test it in our own account and with a few users before we push it to everyone. So if you are interested in being assigned to our own API key to be with us during this test phase, let me know and we can get it started as soon as possible. So we're looking to literally migrate this week and then start a testing phase to then open up to everyone. And finally, our vote today is about a highly requested feature that you guys see here in our roadmap, that is to do the bulk categorization of existing emails. When a user signs up for HeyHelp, some people just expect to have the whole inbox sorted. So we're adding an extra step on the onboarding at some point here. So when you connect your Gmail account, HeyHelp will get straight to work and start categorizing and generating drafts and everything you need for your existing inbox, not only the future. Our question to you is about how we should define emails that we're going to organize. Is it more relevant to have a fixed number of emails, let's say the last 100 or 200 emails in your inbox, or based on a time frame, we just get the last 14 days of emails, for example? So that is a vote today, and thanks a lot for following our journey, and see you in the next video. Bye.